This tutorial is to show you how to add a user to manage your YouTube account. What you want to do is start off here by going to google.com/account. And then you want to log in on the account that has your live streaming activated, and you put in your password. Here we go, like that. You can go up here to the icon in the upper right corner, click that. Typically, if you have a page for your business, that would be a brand account, and for this demo we'll go down here to our brand account. Now we go up here again, and we want to manage the account. Now you notice that we can work with the users. It says users, change roles, invite and remove users. That's what we want to do. So we'll click this button, manage permissions. Okay, you'll notice that I am listed here as the primary owner, and you want to keep it that way. What you're going to do is add somebody else who won't have the same complete total control and privileges that you as the primary owner do. To do that, look in the upper right corner, you see this add button, invite new users. Enter the email address that pertains to the user's YouTube account. So it recognizes my account there. You choose the role, which you don't want owner, you want manager, and you click invite. Okay, so you can see at this point an email is being sent to this person. So that's it. I think this is a good way to allow people to manage your account without giving them your primary owner password.